Hi guys, this is Alisha from Team Miss Malini and I'm here with Kiara Advani today. We're gonna talk about some fun fashion things as per usual. So firstly, I want to know, you just got done with MS Dhoni and I want to know, it's your second film.
My second film.
So thinking back now, can you pick maybe like one standout moment, like a fun story that happened on set?
We went to Cape Town. It was a beautiful, beautiful location, and Sir decided that for the honeymoon portion of the song, I want you all to shoot with this lion. So it kind of just like sprung up on us, and we were like not prepared. We were completely.
Oh, so this was not decided from beforehand?
No. So it literally
God.
like I was doing fittings, and they were like, "Yeah, this would look great with the lion," and I'm like, we're shooting with the lion? Like, wow, like he's in the cage and we're out, and they're like, no, he's gonna be there, like gonna be playing with the lion. I said, playing with the lion, are you kidding me? It was an experience that I will never forget.
What would you say are the 5 key staples that everybody should own in their wardrobe?
For me, I love my white t-shirt.
Okay.
I feel it goes with everything. It's the easiest thing to pick out, and it always looks great. I think white is something that, you know, really like, it reflects your face, also glows everything. You can wear like a nice pop of lipstick. So it's something that everyone should definitely have. So I'd not say one, I'd say like keep a bunch of them so that in case they get dirty. So yeah, a little black dress. You have to have it. You cannot, you know, it's the most important thing.
You can't call yourself a fashion girl.
Yourself a fashion girl, you don't have a little black dress. So yeah, an LBD is very necessary. Then a good pair of jeans, something that fits you really well. I personally like you know, fitted jeans. Whatever suits your body, body type.
So you're not a fan of the mom jeans?
I like the boyfriend jeans. Flared situations, I mean, I'm wearing them today. Sometimes, but I think what takes my shape really well is the skinny jeans. The fourth thing is a nice black or a crisp blazer. I think, you know, that's always something that you can like layer on then. And fifth, a really nice pair of heels, I think. For me, I love my heels. I live in my heels.
Yeah, can you run in them?
I can run in them. I can do anything in heels.
And do you have like, in terms of, you know how people have these go-to home remedies and when it comes to beauty that you do that might help other people?
So you know besan now, everyone has done this I think. So besan and milk, you mix it, like you make it a paste and you just apply it on your face and like your elbows and your knees and all the areas that you want to remove, like the dead skin and the tanning
it's like
or whatever you want.
Like
exfoliating,
nice.
But it's all
I
natural.
I haven't tried it. So maybe
try that. So it really does help.
So
and
it's like a face pack.
It's like a face pack, body scrub, whatever you want to make of it. And another thing that really helps is tomato, like tomato. Like squeeze it out, the pulp of it, and again put it on your face. Trust me, the glow is unbelievable.
Seriously?
But then the quick fixes are like the MAC concealer for under eye.
Do you have any favorite designers?
I love Papa Don't Preach. Like I love the vibrance, you know, I love the quirk element to them. And they're very daring, like each, you know, I like things which also I like clothes that are a statement in itself. I don't accessorize too much. I'm someone who likes the clothes to just do the talking.
Is there anybody you kind of look up to? I don't know, it doesn't even have to be in the industry, but overall for fashion and beauty, where you think that they've just got it right in terms of
But
their
Blake
personal
Lively
style?
always gets it right.
That's
Blake
true.
Lively is someone,
And she's so
I mean,
funny.
every hairstyle is on point. How? Like, how does she do it? I'm still trying to figure it out. I think a lot of characters from TV shows like Carrie from Sex and the City, or like, of course, Blair and Serena from Gossip Girl back in the day when I watched these shows, they've influenced me growing up into fashion and stuff. So that I wouldn't say a person, but a lot of like characters have
That's
inspired
actually interesting.
me.
It's true also because even till today, even though Gossip Girl's done and
You
does
still
it,
remember, that's
you
so
still
Blair,
remember.
that's so Serena.
And there's still articles saying like, here's where you can get Blair Waldorf's
inspired look.
That's crazy. Nice one. So I have, since you're wearing a white shirt, you also said that this is one of your favorite
Absolutely.
style staples. Can you show us how you would style it? Maybe?
I'd love to. So
Really?
Should we get cracking?
Of course. Let's do it.
this.
Let's do it, guys.
Woo. Hi, I'm Kiara Advani. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe.